Color. Hi everyone, this is Sandy of Create the Heart, and I'm back with a pretty big haul. So my first haul is from the Not Too Shabby shop, and this is what I got. First, if you spent $100, then you got this stamp set for free. This is Berry Best Friends. And then I went ahead and I ordered the dies that go with it, and which were on sale. So I did get that. I got this one for free. Isn't that cute? All right, so I got that. And then I'm in love with this. I can't wait to start using this. This is the Magic Picture Changer die. So this is one where you do one image and then you flip it up or you pull it up or however it works, and it creates you'll have a completely different image pop up. I just think it's genius. So I'm excited about that. I did order that. And then I'm just in love with the gnomes and the mushrooms, and it's so cute. So I got the Oh Gnome Lawn Fawn, as well as the Oh Gnome dies. So I got those. And then I got, this was a free with 60. So I got this star die. And then here is the mushroom border, which is adorable. I also got this Reveal Wheel Spring Sentiments. And this is the Not Too Shabby shop little thing there. They also have some new templates, which make it a lot easier to use the Reveal Wheel, which is really great because I have not used it as often as I would like because it's a little bit difficult to know where to do your sentiments, and this kind of takes that away. So there's two different ones. This one's the essential shapes, so it's kind of like the squares and the circles, and then this one is the seasonal one, which not sure. Oh, this is the fall, the pumpkin, the square, and the Easter egg. The Easter egg is new. I didn't get the Easter egg, I don't think. All right, so I also got this, which is the Reveal Wheel Semicircle add-on. So I got that one. I got the Greeting Farm I Heart You and Anya. I got the Darcy Hip Hop Tin Pins and the Darcy Hip Hop Stamp Set. Super, super cute. I placed a couple of orders. So I got another freebie, a new freebie. I got the Tea for Two stamp set because it's perfect because I'm doing a tea themed swap with Created to Create. So I'm going to use these to make my cards. Tea-rific, it's polka doodles, because she had a sale, so that was cool. Let's see, I got this, which is the Lots of Luck odds and ends from Doodlebug, as well as the Doodlebug Lots of Luck paper pad. And then I got the odds and ends French Kiss because at my local scrapbooking store, I did pick up the French Kiss paper pad, which is super cute. And then my free with 60 was this right here, which is the Spring Greetings stamp set from Sunny Studio, which is super cute. And then something else that I ordered that I wanted to give a try. It kind of has mixed reviews. But I'm going to give it a try. It's the Shimmer, I don't know what's called, Sparkle Spray. And I got the sheer one. It's very, very glittery at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that, but it has mixed reviews on Amazon. So I did read the reviews before I bought it, but I've seen a lot of people using it on their projects. So I thought I'll just give it a try. It wasn't too expensive. All right, now my super exciting thing that I got was that I won the whole release for CC Designs. Oh my gosh. So they picked my name. So I got the whole release. I'm so excited because I do love CC Designs and I do share a lot of CC Designs on my channel because I just think that the stamps are so adorable and they just suit my style. So I did get the enamel dots as well as the Razzle Dazzle clear dots. I got, this is, I believe this is grass and clouds. Yes, cloud and grass dies, which is part of the release. And then I got the stamp set, this one right here, which is the monkeys, along with the dies. And oh my gosh, this is just the sweetest stamp set. So I got this one, which is called Spring Things. Really, really cute, along with the dies. And right now, I believe it's still going on, where it's 30% off all the clear stamps there. They also have a $5 off of 50, but I think you only use one code. So what I do sometimes when there's a deal like that is I just buy the stamps and then I just wait and buy the dies later. I mean, I've done that before, but this one's really, really cute. So got that. And then I also got the paper. So I got the Razzle Dazzle paper pads, 36 sheets with 16 designs. It's single-sided, and they're all kind of just easy to use colors and everything. And then the hearts and dots. So you got hearts, and then you have dots in these rainbow colors. And so I got that as just a freebie for, commenting on their releases and all of that stuff. So the other thing that I wanted to share with you is that I am doing a collab and a swap, and it is a card kit swap. And the thing about a card kit swap is you're not actually creating anything. You're putting together a kit to be created later. Like a card. You would design a card and make all the pieces for it and send it to me, and then you'll get 5 different card kits back. And then we'll do a hop where everyone shares, the card that they designed. And so it should be really fun. It's a good way to get exposure to your channel. And it's very easy. You can put together a card kit in like 10 or 15 minutes. I mean, you can stamp something. I mean, if you want to die cut something off your Silhouette or your Cricut, that might take a little longer, but otherwise, it's a pretty quick and fun, something different. I've never really seen a card kit swap here on YouTube, so I thought it'd be something fun. I have done them before in other groups I've been in, so I'm hoping that people will join. You do have to have a YouTube channel. Part of it is just because I would like to know who I'm swapping with. This is me giving my address. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Create the Heart.